Well, hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? If you're watching this, I'm dead. That's right. I brought you all here together today to show you the secrets of the... Oh, come on. I just wanted to have a little bit of fun. After all these videos, it's like, am I seriously doing like a will? Why can't I have a little bit of fun and, just a little bit of enjoyment with this? But still, as you know by that thumbnail and everything else you clicked on to get here, Badass Beard Care is back on the channel. This time, they were beyond cool. They sent me out their brand new Havana Haze. I got it in the oil and I got it in the balm. We're going to get to this incredible stuff here in just a moment. Badass Beard Care has been part of the TCT BNL family for a very long time. They were in, I believe, the first 5 reviews I ever did in beard oils. They were up there, and they have one of my all-time favorite scents in the Royal Night. Sorry, summer cold is still killing me. Guys, don't ever get rid of that one. I just love it. It speaks to the inner geek in me. That tea, hot, Earl Grey. You know why. I like the fact that they are doing limited edition scents. I will say their first one, the Cherry Cola, kind of caught my attention, but unfortunately I didn't pull the trigger. So what they're doing is, once they're gone, they're gone. Really adds to the FOMO, really adds to the fun. If you love Badass, it's a great thing to have in your collection, and just do that incredible stuff. Now, what I like is, this is June 30th, 2023, when I'm filming this video. They are on pre-order right now for $69.99. What do we have here? Yeah, if you pre-order, it's $69.99. Total sale price is like $79.99, something like that. Okay, you're gonna get a huge freaking kit when you do that order. All right, you're gonna get their hogwash, which is really freaking awesome. It's really great for your beard. Their conditioner, I've tried once or twice, no issues with it. I love their oils. I'm not a balm guy, but they did send me a balm. I've already got a use plan for this. The boy doesn't know it yet. The boy's got his first balm. You're going to get a butter and a special Havana Haze sticker. That thing is cool. Seriously, it's really, really cool. Now, let's get to the scent profile. All right? Teakwood, tropical fruit, and fresh tobacco leaf. You would figure with a name like Havana in there, you would really, really be looking at tobacco, right? Guys, seriously, I'm sorry. One of the things that concerned me was teakwood. I've had teakwood in other areas, and it tends to be very overpowering of everything else. Not in this one. Seriously, not in this one. It is just... it's hard to explain. When you first put it in, I was like, oh dear God, yes. This dethroned. Seriously dethroned the Royal Night as my favorite all-time Badass Beard Care scent profile ever. And of course, it's going to be a limited, so yeah. Yeah. Huh. All right. So I like the fact that they got away from their usual black label and went with the white in the middle. It just adds something that makes it pop out on your shelf. Take a freeze frame right there. Hopefully it's going to focus for you. There's the ingredients. I like the fact they put uses and, all that fun stuff on the side of the label. What do we have here? Limited run, small batch formula. Made by bearded vets out of California. Okay, now hold on. Oh, by the way, I'm going to leave a link right down below where you can go to pre-order everything. That way, if you're watching this and you want it, go grab it. You're not going to be disappointed. I love how they call themselves veterans. The owner of the company is Coast Guard. Now, I'm former Army, okay? Is the Coast Guard really a service? Really? Really? I mean, really? But then again, after having a Deadliest Catch marathon and watching what you guys do in the Bering Sea, and I will admit, that dude who jumped on the Narco sub, that little mini submersible by himself while it was like going under and trying to rip the hatch open, I was like, oh, that's a badass. So you guys are kind of bringing me around a little bit, okay? So you do have a veteran-owned company, incredibly cool owner. I mean, the company is just fun to deal with. Do you guys know when you go through that customer service stuff with other companies, how you try to talk to them and you're getting like automated monotone responses? Not with Badass. I love the fact that they comment on videos. You know, they have a good time. When they contacted me, they're like, dude, we've always loved your videos. Would you like to try this? Yeah. Yeah. Is it going to be worth your cash? Yes. Honestly, by the time this video rolls out, I'll be on day 5 of wearing the oil because I just recently got it. I'm beyond impressed with it. I really, truly am. This is vaulted up into top 10. I can't say top 5, but top 10 cents of 2023. Now, for the record, for you boo birds, I'm not being paid for this. I'm saying this because this is what I believe. They did not contact me and go, what is your fee for videos? Which I've said repeatedly on this channel. I have no fee. But still, this is worth your time. It's worth your investment. If you want to support a veteran-owned company, boom, Badass Beard Care. Seriously, they've been an OG on this channel for a very, very, very long time. Quality owner, quality products, quality scent profiles. It's amazing. It really is. It's not overpowering. Every scent profile has a chance to play around during the day. It's kind of like you're on a beach just enjoying life with a little drink with the little umbrellas in it and not worrying about, you know, spreadsheets and death by PowerPoint and any of that. But still. All right. Oh, I forgot. Sorry. When you get it, I like the fact that with Badass, they do this. They have like these little velvet bags with their logos on there. I like their regular sticker. That's kind of cool. It's going to go on the air conditioner of honor. Where I live, I can't have air conditioners in my windows. They have to be upright. So these stickers tend to decorate the air conditioner. And the other thing I totally love is you get one of these cards with your orders. All right? But this, right there, the guitar pick. You know, you don't have to get your finger stuck in, and there's the balm, by the way. God, it's got a great smell. Oh. You know, you don't have to get your finger stuck in there. You peel the little guitar pick, scoop out what you need, move on with your day. So I do like that. I do like that a lot that they add those in there. I like those little swag things. It adds something a little bit different to me, to the company's value. Now, like I said, we are at the most important part of the video to me. Seriously, we really, truly are. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger. Have you tried Badass Beard Care before? Do you have successes with them? Do you have failures with them? Everything I have tried to this point, I have liked. There's a couple I just noticed today when I was going through and seeing where it's at so I can pinpoint it later. I went, hey, I haven't tried that. Oh, I haven't tried that one, so I'm going to be placing an order here in just a little bit. I mean, I don't know. Does this scent profile seem intriguing to you? I'll admit, when I saw teakwood, I went, ooh, Then I tried it, and I went, yeah. I know the boy's going to like it because he likes tropical stuff, so with his little fledgling beard, he now has a beard balm. So, guys, thank you. Badass Beard Care is officially the monkey's first beard balm. Whew. Now, with all that fun stuff being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this weird one. I know, it's really weird. I got early access to something. I am just like, it's so phenomenal. I want to thank you guys for watching this weird one. I hope you're having a great one today, a safe one today, and I look forward to seeing all of you in our very next video.